the name?
Lala.
I'm called Kojo. So where are you going to?
Let's get something.
I believe we are going to this direction, right? So can I get your number so I can call you maybe some other time? Yeah, what's up?
I know if you drink water, drop cup. Good girl.
But I called the girl first.
Hey, scope a time.
I don't understand.
Hello, this life make money.
Is that what you are telling me? I should make money. Oh God, oh, move away, get out there.
Calm down.
I don't get this guy. What's up?
Hello.
Don't hello me, my brother.
You fuck up.
You fuck up, bro.
Okay. The two of you calm down. My brothers, you are all welcome.
Well done, sir.
How was the journey?
The road to this place is very bad.
Sign number one. Meanwhile, in our tradition, when things of celebration like this occur, we always bring out cola nuts and drink. And a glass of tumbler to enjoy ourselves.
I've seen it. Thank you very much.
So, enjoy yourself. Well done.
My brother, this cola nut is bad. Where is it coming from? My son, manage it. You are here for something. Manage it.
Don't worry, enjoy.
The cup is bad. You can't manage this one. My son, do you want to still drink?
No. Hey, scoop a thing.
Yeah, okay, we are fine. Please call the girl so that we'll know what we are paying for.
Okay. Product number one. Batu bear. Iguana. Ogbosko. Call me your elder sister or you forever leave my house. Enter inside me.
Is she the one?
Yes, Papa.
You can't even greet.
Let's just forget about the greeting aspects. Hope you enjoyed yourself.
We could not manage the cola nut. It was bad.
The way that cola nut is very bad. That's how her character is. Her character is very bad.
My son, can you manage her?
Yes, Papa.
Don't bother to advise her. When you advise her to this ear, the other ear. Her character is just like that of the tumbler. Full of holes. So just carry her now as you are going. Carry her along.
My son, let's go. My daughter, let's go.
I have more children in case you need more. Get out.